Welcome back to Living 757. Now, this segment, if you want to be creative and put your hands on something, is right for you. Let's welcome back again Diana. She is the owner of the Sew Unik Studio. How are you, Diana?
I'm good. How are you, Patricia?
I love it. Look at you. I love your dress.
Thank you.
All summery already.
Yes, that's right.
I remember when you came back and you teach Quincy how to do the pillow.
The pillow, yes.
I couldn't find that pillow. I was looking for that pillow today.
He's probably hiding it from y'all.
Okay. Now, today, Sew Unik Studio, what is this about? I know that you are teaching classes, but what is the studio? Like, if I'm a new person and I want to go to your studio, what am I going to expect?
Absolutely. So a little bit about Sew Unik Studio. Again, my name is Diana, and I'm the owner of Sew Unik Studio. And what we do at Sew Unik Studio is we teach beginner sewing classes. So we focus on garment construction, so hoodies, joggers, accessories like bomber jackets, clutches. We have a class called Clutches and Cocktails. This is one of our most popular classes. We have Sewing 101, where you come in, you learn the basics of sewing, learn how to thread your machine, and at the end of that class, we make a pillowcase. So we focus on the beginners, we walk you through step by step, and we focus on
I like that. Did I hear right? And you say sewing and cocktails?
Yes.
Oh,
I mean, a little jazz, something different.
It's a dangerous combination right there. I mean, especially for me.
We keep it limited, though. We keep it limited.
I know, no, just kidding. I know you have all safety on the line.
Absolutely.
So now, I was telling you, before, my mom, she used to have one of those.
Yes.
But my mom, she had the one that you have a pedal here.
And you have to
like, it
push.
was a workout with your legs, and
Absolutely.
you like, doom, doom, and then this work. So now, let's say I'm a new in your studio, and I want to, this is a beautiful tote that you bring for me.
That's right.
And I'm going to keep it, right?
That's right.
Ah,
We're going to keep it.
Good. So I can take it as a Quincy take his pillow. Now, walk me through. How do I do it like if I'm a beginner?
Absolutely.
So what I'm going to do? What I have to make sure?
If you were taking one of our classes, we will walk you through the basics. Of course, I already have it threaded because of time. So what we're going to do is you're going to sew down this line here.
Okay.
So as you are sewing, this right here is called a presser foot. I want you to follow along the side of this presser foot to sew me a straight edge, okay? Down below you is your foot pedal.
Okay.
Like you said, your mom had one that you keep pushing. Remember,
yes. So this is
like
easy.
a gas pedal.
Yes, this is easy.
Slow and steady wins the race. Okay?
This is already done, right?
Yep, so your presser foot is already down.
Okay.
So now you're going to just ease your foot down on the foot pedal.
This is not like my mom have.
There you go. Oh, slowly, Patricia, slowly.
More slowly than that? I mean,
just a little bit, just a
right
little bit.
there. Ting,
nice.
ting, ting. Okay, nice.
And as you are sewing, you are keeping that fabric.
Is that my line?
That is your line. You are
There you
doing
go.
amazing. Yep, you are guiding really nicely.
I like speed.
There you go.
Okay. No, just
Keep on
kidding.
going down.
I love this. You know what? I think this is a very amazing way to also teach the new generations now that
Yes.
everybody after COVID they reinvent themselves, you know?
Absolutely.
And it's a lot of people designing things. This is a great opportunity to put the creativity on the game, you know? Like I just learned.
Absolutely.
So let me see. One
And
more.
then, yep,
Okay.
and then you're going to lift up the presser foot.
Okay. This and
And now you're just going to cut it. There's a knife on the side of your sewing machine.
I was trying to use the scissors.
Oh, you can use the scissors
This
to
is
cut
so
it. Yep.
easy. Oh my gosh. Can I just flip it?
You can flip it, absolutely.
Oh my goodness. I love these. So what is the shop? Where do you have the Sew Studio?
So our Sew Unik Studio, we're located in Virginia Beach off of South Military Highway.
Uh-huh.
And we're having a grand opening, not a grand opening, I'm sorry. We're having a 6-year anniversary party because we're celebrating 6 years.
Which camera I am? Right there.
And this will be one of the bags that they will be making.
Oh my God, this
Free
is so
to the
cute.
public.
I
Yes.
love it. And people can customize themselves. Like
Absolutely.
if I want to come and say, okay, Diana, I want to put my name or my kid's name and I do something. It has to be just tote or can be t-shirts, can be hats. Like you can teach people to do any kind of sewing?
Yes, so we do clutches, we do bucket hats, tote bags.
That is
Absolutely.
amazing.
And you can customize it however you like.
How do you come up with this great idea? Because this is something that I will lose in it. You know, it was from our grandparents, and they were sewing all our clothes. Like, I love this, that you bring it back. How do you come up with this idea?
So I always say sewing is a lost art. And when I started sewing, I wanted to learn how to sew, but I couldn't find a sewing studio that taught. So I was like, hey, why don't I just open my own and teach sewing? And from there, it just started blowing up. And then I, hired staff. We came up with creative ideas to make it fun.
I love it. I love it. Thank you so much,
No
Diana.
problem.
I'm in love with my tote bag. I'm going to use it every day. So, do you say already your social media? Where can people find you?
Absolutely. So you can find me on Instagram, TikTok, and on Facebook. Our Instagram handle is Sew Unik, SEWUNIK underscore. TikTok and Instagram is the same thing, as well as Facebook. You can call us at 757-538-7474.
I love
And our
it.
website is sewunikstudio.com.
And we invite everyone to go there if you want to be creative and learn how to
Yes.
sewing. Just visit Diana. Diana, thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
You are amazing.